As an employer, what obligations do I have?
So there's quite a bit of setup to do up front once you find someone, gathering all their details together, lodging some forms. A lot of this is actually streamlined within your Xero file though, so you can even lodge a TFN declaration form from there. But before you get to that stage, you need to consider things like award rates, award agreements, those sort of things you will find on the Fair Work website. Gives you an idea of the things you need to consider, along with leave entitlements and the basis on which you're employing someone. But of course, there's also things that are more specific to you as an employer, such as what you put in the contract and in terms of policies. Um, Particularly important in the contract, you need to consider that there's superannuation guarantee. So you might be negotiating rate of pay, and you need to specify whether that's going to be including your super guarantee or excluding, because this cost could even grow in the future. So once you're up and running, you would need to work out with them how often you're going to pay and the frequency of processing your payroll, and manage your obligations from an employer perspective. So there's lodging and paying your super and your pay-as-you-go withholding. That's generally due about 28 days after the end of the month or the end of the quarter. And you may also have payroll tax, perhaps not now, but in the future, and that can be due only 7 days after the end of the month. These, if they get out of hand, you can face quite extreme penalties. So it's important to stay on top of these obligations on an ongoing basis.
When you become an employer, it adds another level of complexity to the business. As a business owner like Pat and John, non-compliance can lead to unpaid liabilities becoming a personal liability. It is also essential to be aware of the timing of payments and the impact on cash flows, so you can sleep at night and understand the added costs of being in business.